Yan po, si Dr. and Police Lieutenant Colonel Ivan Villamor trying to assist po the patient at itinulak po siya.
Sino po yun, ma'am?
Si Colonel La Chica po.
The VPSP commander.
Yes po, siya po yung head po ng BPSPG po.
Yun ang qualified direct.
Yes po, because again, we are studying na it can be elevated to qualify the direct assault because he lay hands against a public agents of a persons while in the performance is official duty po. We're still waiting po ma'am yung formal communication coming from the Armed Forces of the Philippines for the identities po. Our Chief PNP formally sent a letter to our Chief of Staff requesting for the names of those BP, SPG personnel who were on duty on that particular time po.